Welcome, my dear student, in the digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are discussing nowadays about rational numbers, their properties. So last day we discussed about how to find out the equivalent rational numbers. I hope so that concept is clear to you. In the same series today we are going to find out a rational number by using given numerator or denominator. That means whenever we have only one rational number and we are interested to find out another rational number when numerator or denominator out of these one is given to us. So to understand such question, let's take your question number 4. Question number 4 is express 3 upon 5 as rational number with numerator minus 21 and second part is 150. So my dear student, here most important thing is what is the question given to us. Question given to us is 3 upon 5. So 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. But we are interested to find out one more number in which numerator become minus 21. Here we are comparing the numerator first. In question numerator is 3 and in answer B need numerator equals to minus 21. So here my dear students, you have two choices. One is you can recite the table of 3. When 21 is coming, that number is required to multiply. Second thing you can see in rough area, division method. In a question numerator is 3 and in answer B need 21. So just you can divide 3 right inside, 21 out. Then we need to divide 21 by 3. You can see 3 7 ja 21. So it is completely divisible. Then 7 is our answer. After finding that number by division we come to know 7 is required to multiply to the numerator and denominator. But next thing is the sign of answer. Sign of answer is minus 21. But in our question 3 is positive. That means the number by which we are multiplying it is negative. So how to write answer? Let's see. Minus 21 is given to us. To get numerator minus 21, we must multiply 3 upon 5 by minus 7. This minus 7 is very important, as I told you, because we need in answer it is already given minus 21 and our numerator is 3, that is positive. So 7 is negative. So we need to multiply 7 to denominator as well as numerator. Hence you can write 3 into minus 7 upon 5 into minus 7. So you all know 3 7 ja 21. Minus into plus, it is minus sign. Downside 5 7 ja 35 and once again plus into minus minus. So our overall answer become minus 21 upon minus 35. You can see in this minus 20 upon minus 35, numerator is minus 21. This is our question asked to you. So here you can write, therefore the required rational number is minus 21 upon minus 35. So to make this question more clear, let's take second example. So we have here second example, that is B need numerator 150. As you seen in question, numerator is 3. The same way you can do division. This time 150 is also positive. So let's see how to divide. You can see in rough area, I did division. 3 5 ja 15, cancel out, 1 0 left, take it down, then 3 0 ja 0. That means 50 is your answer after division. So this 50 is the answer, as well as this 50 is the number that we need to multiply to 3 upon 5 in denominator as well as numerator. So how to write? Let's see. 150, to get numerator 150 we must multiply 3 upon 5 by 50 to numerator as well as denominator. Hence you can write 3 into 50 and 5 upon 5 into 50. 3 5 is 15, 150, 5 5 is 25, 250. Therefore, the required rational number is 150 upon 250. I hope so, my dear students, you are able to understand the first category when numerator is given to us. So let's take the second category now, that is related to when denominator is given to us. I hope so this concept is very easy for you, you can easily handle these questions. So let's see now, express 4 upon minus 7 as a rational number with the denominator. You can see here the word is the denominator. So this time denominator is given to us. First case 84 is the denominator, second case minus 28. 84 we need in answer in denominator. As I told you, you have choice, you can recite the table of 7 up to 84, or second thing you can divide. So I have selected division method. You can see in rough area, divide 84 by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 1 left, it become 14, 7 2 ja 14, 12 is your answer. That means 12 is that number which we need to multiply. Next thing is, we need answer plus 84, but in our denominator there is a minus sign, so we need to take this 12 as a negative, so that minus into minus become plus. How to write answer? Let's see. 84, to get denominator 84 we must multiply 4 upon minus 7 by minus 12 to denominator as well as numerator. This minus 12 is very important to understand, as by division we come to know number only, but sign we come to know when we are thinking what is given to us. It is given minus 7, so we need negative number so that we can get minus into minus plus. So let's see how to write. 4 into 12, 4 into minus 12, and denominator minus 7 into minus 12, 12 4 ja 48 and 7 12 ja 84. You can see now in denominator required 84 is there. You can write, hence the required rational number is minus 48 upon 84. So make it more clear. Let's take one more example. Now in this case we need a denominator equals to minus 28, but in question denominator is minus 7. Once again in the same way I did division, 28 by 7, 7 4 ja 28, you can cancel. That means that number is 4, which we need to multiply to the given rational number. Then how to write? To get denominator minus 28 we must multiply 4 upon minus 7 by 4. This time you might be thinking, why I am taking 4, why not minus 4? So my dear student, in the denominator it is minus 7. If we need number in negative, that means I need to multiply 7 by positive 4. That's why I have selected 4 to denominator as well as numerator. Then you can see 4 into 4 upon minus 7 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 7 4 ja 28. Now in the answer it is minus 28. Hence the required rational number is 16 upon minus 28. Hope so, my dear students, you are able to understand this concept, how to find out a rational number when numerator or a denominator is given to you. Thank you.